Here's some writer's craft trivia. Subscribe. What narrative style uses I or we? Is it A, direct speech, B, third person, C, first person, or D, second person? The correct answer is C, first person. Which literary form often critiques societal norms? Is it A, parody, B, satire, C, epic, or D, elegy? The correct answer is B, satire. What is the term for a recurring theme? Is it A, genre, B, motif, C, symbol, or D, theme? The correct answer is B, motif. What term refers to the ending of a story? Is it A, climax, B, exposition, C, prologue, or D, denouement? The correct answer is D, denouement. What is the intentional exaggeration in writing called? Is it A, litus, B, euphemism, C, hyperbole, or D, understatement? The correct answer is C, hyperbole. Which technique reveals future events in a story? Is it A, symbolism, B, flashback, C, foreshadowing, or D, irony? The correct answer is C, foreshadowing. What type of character undergoes significant change? Is it A, cliché, B, dynamic, C, static, or D, flat? The correct answer is B, dynamic. What is an author's unique style called? Is it A, tone, B, narrative, C, theme, or D, voice? The correct answer is D, voice. Which technique creates tension by withholding information? Is it A, dramatic irony, B, character development, C, suspense, or D, pacing? The correct answer is C, suspense. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.